In this lesson, I will explain to you about dot pop function, what it does. So here I have written some information. The dot pop method default is last item in the list. What is the meaning of it? It is just like same as delete, but there is a little bit difference that if we will use dot pop function and we are not going to assign any index value in the parenthesis, by default it will delete the last item, and this is the first item is 0. I will show you with the help of few examples, then it will be much more clear to you. Here I have made my first example party underscore list, and these are three people, Ishrat, Kenal and Cindy. They are invited in the party. So see, I have used 7 times print function, and one by one we have to discuss what each print function will do for us. So see here first is party underscore list. It will print all these three items. Then print hello party list dot pop and then blank parenthesis. It means it will delete Cindy by default because we did not assign any index value. We have 0, 1, 2 index, but I'm not going to assign, so by default it will assign this. Then it will give us the new party list. Second time it will delete Canal, and third time it will delete Ishrat. At the end, this backslash n means it will print a new line. When I will run, you will see first is print party list, so all three items are here, and then hello party list dot pop means it will return and delete. So hello Cindy means system is going to delete the last, and then we have a new party list. See backslash n, we have blank space here. So Ishrat and Kenal. Then hello Kenal, it will then delete Kenal, and at the end we have only Ishrat left, and at the very last print backslash n party list, there is no items left. So dot pop by default delete the last item if we did not assign any index value. Here we are going to assign 4 index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It means it will delete 51. So here it is just like same as the delete function. When I will run it, it is before and after. So see, before we have 51 here, but we do not have 51 after. Right now this is your job that you have to play by 5, 3, 2, whatever you want you can delete, but keep in mind if you want to delete 181 from right to left, then you have to write down -1. This is also your practice work. Here is one more example I have made. So instead of just use the pop function, I have made two more variables, num underscore 1, num underscore 2, and here is dot pop. See number underscore list dot pop blank parenthesis, same blank parenthesis. So it means first it will delete 181 and second it will delete 117. Why? Because I did not assign any index value here. At the end I said that this is the print after print at the popped values. So popped values num1 and num2. So it will show us the total of 117 plus 181. I will run, then it will be much more clear to you. See list before we have this long list, and then its system deleted this and this 117 and 81. So we have the last item 161, and the total of num1 and num2 is 298. Right? So what pop function does, if we do not assign any index value, by default it will assign from the last value whatever is the string or float or whatever. But if we will assign here, it will work just like the delete function. Here I have set one practice problem for you. It is very easy. I hope you can do it. Print the first and last items and then print the remaining. Follow whatever we did in our this lesson, then it will be much more easy to you. I hope it is clear. See you in the next lesson, and thank you.